Hey everybody, this is Zach from Myshire Farm, and I just wanted to do a quick video. A couple days late, but Happy New Year to everybody. I wanted to just be transparent with everybody. The past couple of months have been very grueling. Health issues and family issues, and in and out of hospitals with my family, and just always busy, seems like. And I want to kind of apologize because I've kind of lost the passion for a couple of months and kind of put things on back burners. But things are starting to slow down. I am blessed beyond measure, and things are working out the way they ought to. And I am back and would love to be able to help you with anything that you need concerning Coturnix quail, raising them, eggs, live quail, whatever the case may be. But I am back, and this is a new year with a new Myshire. So I am dedicated to bring out a bunch of new videos, and a bunch of videos that we've done in the past I'm going to redo, because as you know, the more you do it, the more experience you have, the more you learn, and I want to share you an updated version of things. Feed video, how to sex, quail colors, what the chicks look like when they're hatched. So I've got a lot of videos coming your way. So hit the subscribe button. Follow me every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go live right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, to do a live Q&A. I've got a lot of fun stuff planned. If you are on Facebook, you will want to join the Newbie Quail Lovers group. It is a fantastic group with over 16,000 members that are very encouraging and help each other out. It's a fantastic site I'm very, very proud of. Check out our website at myshirefarm.com. We've got a lot of new stuff on there. Our jumbo wilds, the plan is to keep them in stock all year. Knock on wood, we'll see how that goes, but I'm very excited about that. Again, I've got a lot of cool stuff coming. And remember, every month we do a giveaway for an 18 and under contest. What this is anyone that's 18 and under can apply, and the winner of every month I announce the first Sunday of every month on our live Q&A. And they get a Winola Ranch cage and 60 free eggs, and everything is paid for by us. And it is to encourage the younger generations with responsibility and entrepreneurship, which I think is very, very important. But we've got a lot of stuff coming your way. I've got a couple really good videos planned later on this week, so stay tuned. And remember, we have an auction site on Facebook as well. It's Myshire Quail Egg Auctions. I try to do a couple auctions every week. That is the goal for this year. They will be on the weekends only, but we have a lot of fun and we all hang out together. So check that out as well. Again, if you have any questions or need help, you can feel free to contact me at 937-760-7282. The quickest reply will be through text. So if you can text me, that would be great. But if you want to call, I will probably not answer, but I will call you back within 24 hours. So I am back and ready to help and encourage and enthuse everyone this year. Thank you for everyone that supported us last year. And 2021, we're going to be bigger and better than ever. So thank you for all, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Stay safe.